We rarely, if ever, go on vacations. Having a farm and stuff is complicated to pick up and leave and have somebody to take care of our animals and property, but we have finally made that happen. And so we actually are going on a family vacation down to Florida, and then Ciara and I are going on our 20th wedding anniversary trip back to Palmetto Bluff, and that we absolutely just fell in love with last year. But with that, I have to pack, and I need some vacation ready, easy clothes. Again, I don't want to pack my entire closet. So today's video is sponsored by Quince. I'm going to show you some of the outfits that I've pulled together from my various Quince pieces, especially some of my linen pieces, which are just perfect for summer when it is hot. This dress is maybe one of my favorite Quince finds to date. This is a linen blend dress, and it has a zipper on the back, and then it's a little bit smocked right here. The buttons or the straps adjust. You've got 3 different button levels there to, kind of shorten or lengthen the shoulder straps if you need that. It's got a little bit of pleating here in the front to kind of bring it in, and then it's about an empire waist level. Super like flowy, twirly, has pockets and a fantastic lining inside. So it is not at all itchy, not at all see-through. I got it in this like black and white checked like gingham print, which is just like the perfect summery fabric. Gingham, hello. It just screams summer if you ask me. I did get this in a small. I feel like this runs pretty true to size. I feel like this fits me really, really well. So just a note on sizing there, but I absolutely adore this dress. All right, so this is a cotton cashmere sweater, and it's so beautiful. It's the perfect like summery sweater, and that's really what I love about everything that I get from Quince. Getting good quality items, like this feels like a luxury item, but it is not at a luxury price. They are incredible quality clothing that's actually affordable. By using the factory direct model, it basically cuts out the whole supply chain middleman, which reduces costs. So that's how Quince is able to give you these incredible quality items at such great prices as well. So lots of really great organic materials that feel amazing and look amazing. And I've shown y'all these before, but I will definitely be bringing my sunglasses from Quince. These are, if you scroll down when you're looking at like the listings on Quince, I love that they show you like compared to. So these to me looked very similar to a pair of Prada, but that I had been eyeing, but they were very, very expensive. These, if you see, are very comparable to that in their shape and style for a fraction of the price. I wear these all the time, and when I wear them in reels and shorts and videos and stuff, y'all ask me about them all the time as well. They are just really great quality. If I had to pick my other like second favorite dress, it would be this one, which is kind of a bit of a like A-line like swing dress, a little bit of that shape to it. It's got pockets, and you can just unbutton it's just got a button right here at the back, closes it up right there, and you've got plenty of space to slip this over your head because of that kind of like A-frame swing boxy style of this dress. I love the length of it. Again, I'm 5'8", so sometimes shorter dresses tend to be like way too short. I've got kids to chase and stuff, so I don't need bits and bobbles popping out. So I love a good dress like this that's at a proper length. And again, this one is lined, so you've got your like white linen, and then there's a lining on the inside so that it's not like totally see-through. Now, I typically wear, nude undergarments with something like this. I do have 2 kind of undergarments that are also from Quince that I wanted to share with you, because I'm very into kind of trying all sorts of things from them as they're like expanding everything, not just clothes, but shoes and home and all that kind of stuff. These are unworn, okay? But these are the like high rise, these are like shapewear type of underwear. So they're like, real stretchy, but will like kind of hold you in. It's a thong in the back, breathable fabric here. But this is the kind of like undergarment that I would typically wear under something like that. These are so comfortable, okay? I have underwear like this from a couple of brands, and these are by far the most comfortable of any of the ones that I own. So I got a 3-pack of the nude ones because they are just so perfect for wearing under like summer dresses. And then I also got this, which looks painful. I'll probably insert the picture of like the model here to show you, because I'm not going to model this for you. And this, it's not painful. I say that because it just looks like sausage in a casing, but it's really not. This is perfect if you have like a much tighter fitting, like all the way down kind of a dress, like a bodycon or a silky dress that you don't want to see any of those lines. So I just wanted to show those underwear and then this like one piece thing to you real fast. The other piece that I recently added is this vest. This is a linen vest. I just absolutely love this blue color. I have the long sleeve linen shirt from Quince in this same blue. It is the perfect summery blue. It's just gorgeous, okay? It's just gorgeous in person. I adore it. And it looks good with a lot of the like accent colors that I like to wear. So this I just wear as a top buttoned up with nothing underneath it. I would recommend sizing down. I got a small and I could probably use an extra small for this, but the small works. I can definitely make it work. But I would definitely size down in the vest if you want to just wear it as a top with nothing underneath it, which is how I like to wear it. In this video, I'm wearing it with my black linen blend pants from Quince. They're like cropped. They're super high-waisted, like that patch pocket look. Which is very in right now. And there are a number of variations of these pants at various other stores that are quite expensive. So I like that these from Quince are not expensive, and they are very like thin, but not in a bad way, just like a thin material, a thin linen blend material that's very breathable. Again, I live in South Carolina. It gets very hot and very humid here, so I have to be very careful how I am mixing and wearing things. You will see throughout this video, as I show you different outfits, you will see me wearing either one of these two scarves. These are, so this one is I believe this one is the pure linen one, and this is more of a tan color. I'll put the name of it here, but I love this because, you know, you go out, it's hot, you're sweaty, whatever you're wearing, like your dress, okay? You're wearing like your white dress. Then you go into a restaurant or into a store and they've got the air conditioning blasting and you're freezing to death. But you don't always necessarily want to carry a sweater or something like that. That is where products like this come in so handy for me because they're light. It's not adding any weight. I can literally like kind of toss it on over my purse. And then when I get inside and I'm feeling chilly, I can just toss this over my shoulders. Even if you're like, okay, but I like dresses like this, but I don't like showing my arms. You just want to cover your arms. You can wear this and tie it on so that you're still wearing your really cute linen dress, but you're wearing this over it to kind of cover up your arms a little bit. That's another kind of great way to style these, but adore these linen blend scarves. I also got, you're gonna see actually two of these, of the linen blend maxi skirts. I initially ordered this one and it was back ordered, so I wasn't sure if I was gonna get it in time, so I got the gingham one as well, and then this one came. So now I have both and I'm not mad about it because so comfortable, so comfortable. Pockets, okay? It's got a slit so you can move your legs, you're not like a robot, but it's not like such a high slit that you're like, you know, it's like, it's the right kind of slit. Anyways, love this skirt. There's no lining in this skirt, so it is just a beautiful, breathable linen fabric. So many ways to style this, y'all. When we talk about like capsule-y type things, you can do this with just a tank top and flip-flops. You could put on some wedges and a slightly nicer top with it, or a necklace or a hat. Like you could dress this up, dress this down. So many different ways to wear this. Again, with the black gingham skirt, I really do like gingham, so I went for another one. I'm telling you, this like maxi, so cute with like red lipstick. I wear it with my black sun hat. You could wear it with like some wedge sandals or just some regular type sandals, a nice red lipstick. It's fun and easy to dress up, and especially one like this. Maybe you have a tank top that's like a brighter color, like a bright pink or a bright yellow or something like that. You can mix this skirt with any of those and they're gonna look good. I'm just wearing it with a little like black tube top, very easy. That's what I'm talking about. Like so much mix and match happening here that you don't have to bring a truckload of things, just a few good basic things that all kind of can work and go together. And you've got like outfit builders, the building blocks of a great outfit at your fingertips. And I did style some of these outfits with my Quince sweater. This Fisherman style 100% cotton sweater is my absolute favorite. I got the flag one. I think the flag one might be sold out though. I'm sure they'll bring it back, but I'm not sure quite yet when. The flag one I got in an extra small, and this one is in a small. I love this sweater, okay? I'm gonna just like live in this all through the fall, but I also love this color for summer. Now, maybe it is like not as humid and miserable where you are, so this is actually really great for taking with you to have that little sweater to toss on. The color looks so good with white. It's that perfect like Nantucket, Cape Cod coastal vibe kind of feel. So you could mix this with black, with denim, with green, with white, with anything, and it's going to look good. So love, love, love this sweater, and love that this is a piece that if you get this piece, you can wear it now and again in the fall. I just have to give a little shout out to these Tencel pants. These are probably the most comfortable pants that I own. They run like a smidge big in my opinion. I got them in a small and they are a little bit big for me. I just don't know if I would actually want an extra small though, so I stick with the small. They are just the softest, but non-wrinkly, okay? Soft, comfy, non-wrinkly pants that you will probably ever wear. They have multiple colors. I love this like kind of grayish green color. Goes with so many different things. I especially love it with the blue. There's just something about these two colors together that look really good in my opinion. So can wear this with a little white tank top and then bring this with you, toss this on over. This is just such a breezy, cool, like I will wear this with nothing underneath it and it's just breezy and cool. That's what like good quality linen, it feels good. Feels good on the skins. And then this is the other scarf that I have. This is I believe this one is the linen cashmere silk blend. So this one is the softest of softest. Like you can see that. I mean, you could literally roll this up and stick it in your bag, especially like you go to the movie theater in the summer and again, it's hot outside. You step inside the movie theater and you're just like freezing your, you know what's off. This, okay? Because it's nice and big, so you can wrap it around a couple times if you need to, or just like cover up your legs if you're wearing shorts and you're in a restaurant or in the movie theater and you're just kind of chilly. Got a little chilly willy. Toss this on. Looks so beautiful. Like you could wear white denim and a white tank top and this like just draped over your shoulders and you're gonna just look like a beautiful, classy summer lady, you know? It's like one of those added accessories that will just take any outfit from like boring linen pants and a tank top to like something a little bit special and pretty and ladylike and lovely. And of course, I can't not mention my little raffia leather crossbody bag. I love this bag. The quality of Quince handbags are so good. Okay, where's my other one? Hold on. What drew me initially was this puzzle bag looking bag. It kind of has the vibes of a much more expensive designer bag. And this one is, I mean, the quality of this thing is incredible. I love this bag. And so I was very excited to try another bag from Quince, and that is where I picked up this one. And this like brown raffia, I love it because it's not the same like light tan raffia bag that you see everywhere. Looks so good with like white or with black or with tan or with anything. Love this bag, and it holds plenty. Okay, it totally holds like your wallet, your phone, like it holds plenty. So I love both of these handbags for like mix and matching the summer outfits. And I do also have this bag from Quince, which is just a great, simple, like nylon bag. It has the feel of like a Lululemon or an Athleta type, perfect like crossbody. You can extend this. I will definitely be taking this with me when we go to Palmetto Bluff because it'll be perfect because you ride bikes all over the place there. So this will be perfect for tossing over when we're out riding our bikes. And I'm definitely going to be bringing the like linen button-up shirt for that trip because I'm just like picturing outfits in my mind now, and like some black bike shorts so that I'm comfortable and I can put that on and just like button 2 buttons so that it's breezy down here, breezy up here, and bike shorts and this bag. and away we go on our cute little bikes at Palmetto Bluff. So it gets me excited when I start like pulling things out and trying things on, because it reminds me that like, a little bit of relaxation is coming. It's on the way. Fun and sun, I didn't mean for that to rhyme, but it did, is on the way.